and pants are clothes worn from the waist down according to the length. Skirt and pants serve to cover the lower part of the body. Nowadays, we often find various kinds of skirt and pants, like the following example. Example for the pant is midcloth model fitted, heel or floor length model bell bottom, above ankle model ankle puff, and below knee model baggy, above knee model straight, and short model palazzo. And that's all model for pants. Example for the skirt are wrinkle skirt, flower skirt, span skirt, pleated skirt, multi-level skirt, basic button skirt, and gorget skirt. That's all the example of skirt. Thank you for watching and see you next week. Bye bye.